ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another episode of Moto Unboxing. And this is a very exciting one because I get a chance to unbox an item which I trust in 100%. Normally when I do these videos, a lot of the times it's a product that I'm not familiar with, and I'm just kind of like excitedly unwrapping it and hoping for the best, and eventually reviewing and eventually having a real opinion. In this case, I already have an opinion. This right here is a pair of the Heritage Slim jeans from Resurgence Gear. Resurgence Gear is a Canadian company that started in 2013, which is coincidentally the same year that I started riding a bike. So I've actually only ridden in these jeans my whole riding career. And before I get these out of the bag, I want to show you something. This right here is the original pair of my Resurgence Gear jeans from 10 years ago, from over 10 years ago. This damage right here happened when I came off the bike. Granted, I was speeding a little bit. A taxi cab ran a stop sign and tapped me. Whoa! Oh. Damn. But basically, I flew off the bike at 40 miles per hour, slid down the street, got up, no body damage at all. I was a little bruised from the impact on my hip and on the side of my body, but I was fully geared up, no blood. This right here happened when the keys, which is why I never keep the keys in my pocket anymore when I ride, they flew out of my pocket, tore a hole through here, ripped out, and flew across the street. And this right here is literally all the damage that happened to these jeans after I slid from 40 miles per hour to a stop. And as you can tell, it didn't actually damage the internal layer at all. And these I can still wear and still do, and they break in beautifully. These are beautiful pants, beautiful jeans. And you know, I can't even say this about any normal jeans that I wear, that they would last this long, but this is awesome. This is why I recommend these pants. People ask me, are these the motorcycle jeans, or are these regular jeans? Like, what kind of jeans are they? It's beautiful. It's funny, like I can literally show you everything I want to show you about these brand new pants using my old jeans. And look, they're just wearing and breaking in gorgeously. And after my crash, I actually used these for many years after, because why not? There's no damage and they look nice. All right, so now that I got this out of the way, let's actually discuss these jeans here. Let's take them out. Ooh. That's right, beautiful. So every pair of jeans or pants from our Resurgence Gear comes with this like nice little rucksack, which is nice. It's nice and rugged. I could see using this as a little backpack for whatnot. And all the Resurgence Gear comes with D3O armor. In this case, it's the Ghost. It's the new version, which is nice. So these are for the knees and these are for the hips. And the knee sliders are actually, knee pads are actually adjustable in height, and I will show you how that works a little bit later. So the material that Resurgence Gear uses is called PEKEV, and these are 80% lime, which makes them a little bit warmer for the summer, but you know, that's fine. And PEKEV is their revolutionary material that they came up with that gives you that 11 seconds of slide time down the street. However, they've been going away from that kind of ratings, from like rating it by sliding seconds, just because all the surfaces are very different, so one could be more rugged than the other. However, these jeans have AAA rating, which is the highest rating you can get for a piece of motorcycle gear. And basically beyond these pants, you would have to just wear full leather. So let's take a look. One of the things that originally attracted me to these pants, besides the actual fit of them, was the salvage denim. And you could tell by this little stitching here. It's interesting how these jeans start out so dark and then end up being more like this. So yeah, this is same exact jeans, 10 years apart. Beautiful experiment. And for the full nerd spectrum, look, these right here are my current Resurgence Gear pants. Like, these are the ones that I wore yesterday. You know, these will be my new ones, and these I'll still wear. But you can actually tell the new style versus the old style with the different tag, because all of these come with D3O, but different kind of D3O, and they actually use a little bit of a different lining on the inside. But these age beautifully. So enough with the old jeans. Let's focus on the new jeans. So another great thing about these is the little bit of stretch that they give you. They actually have a little bit of stretch, which is super important, especially when you're sitting on a motorcycle, when you're crouched over or whatever. Like you're stretching your jeans in places and ways that normal jeans would not get stretched. Also, you can wash these in the washing machine, and it's not going to deteriorate the strength of the abrasion. You can just pop them in a washing machine. I would suggest drying them, air drying them, instead of drying them in a washing machine. I love this. I love this. I actually, when I do wear these jeans, I actually like to fold them over like this because they look really beautiful with the boot. Not to be a complete nerd, but this is what I mean. Look at that. Beautiful. You know, motorcycles are all about being cool, and it's about comfort, and it's about style. And these are just my jeans of choice, not only for comfort, not only for obviously safety, which is most important because I'm all the gear all the time kind of rider, but style. It's just, I feel cool, and that's what it's all about. Let's install these pads and take a little bit of a closer look at some of the details. So we're gonna get rid of this. We got Resurgence Gear. We got the user guide for fitness, for denim. I love it. Salvage denim. That's the way. That's the way. We're going to unzip this. I normally actually cut out all of this stuff just because I don't want it touching me on the back, but here we go. So first, let's install the hips, and then we will install the knees. Grab these beautiful Ghost. This is my first time actually using the Ghost D3O pads, so that is interesting. All right, now let's do the other side. I don't know, I find motorcycle safety gear to be exciting. I'm a big nerd, even though my riding may not be the safest. I do like the safety of safety riding gear. So let's see. Now, I turn the pants inside out completely, just like so. Right? And now I can actually show you some of the layering. So Pekov is the 80%, that's the yellow stuff right here. And then this right here is the moisture wicking layer, because they do get warm, because I mean, you are safe as it gets, so you will be warm. And this is it. This is the layer that will kind of unstick them from you, if you will. There we go. So now we take this, and how I usually place them is, this is the top Velcro. I usually line it up so that way this part is right here, and the Velcro can close, because I find that that's what fits me. And I'm a 5'9", 175 pounds, so that's what it is. So right now we're gonna line it up just like so. Beautiful. And I find that it's actually easier to install these pads by turning the jeans all the way inside out, instead of like fumbling inside the pant and try to figure out where everything is. Just like so. And it is possible that the cut is a little bit different since my last pair, so I may have to adjust this, but pretty sure that's gonna be good. So we shall see. Everybody's fit is obviously a little bit different. So here we go. Take this inside out. Boop. Same thing here. And the beauty of this is that the new Ghost armor is actually flexible. So this is a lot easier to do what I just did. And here we go. All right. Beautiful. The jeans become a little bit more rigid, but also a little bit safer. So here we go. Here we go. That is a beautiful thing. That is a beautiful thing. All right, so let's try them on next to the bike, and I'll do a little awkward modeling for you.